Hello and welcome to my channel, The Flamenco Coach. I'm Belinda Retamel, your flamenco coach. My mission is to help other flamenco dancers like myself learn how to improvise for Bulerías Por Fiesta more easily. In today's video, I want to talk to you about something that was a huge game changer for me when it came to improvising. I used to struggle to understand or put together the dots of what was going on, and I didn't realize it was because I was focusing on just the dancing. It's not just about the dancing, and as a dancer we need to work on more than just our dancing. So understanding what the singer is doing, what the guitarist is doing, learning about all the codes, this all helps. Now, the thing that was the big game changer for me was actually sitting down and looking at a letra and seeing how it fits with the dancing, how many compasses it takes, what is actually going on. And that's what I want to show you today, is what a letra looks like. And once you have seen it written down, understood what are the options for the singer to sing the letra, hopefully then it'll start to make more sense for you as well. And instead of everything sounding the same, which is how it used to sound for me, I couldn't tell where we were in the letra. Was it the beginning, the middle, the end? Was it the coletea? It all sounded the same. But after looking at it this way, my ears started tuning to what was actually going on, and it just made a lot more sense. So let's get into it. Hi, I'm in the little corner here. Let's now have a look at what a letra looks like. First up, I do want to let you know that this is the Bulerías de Jerez style, which is the typical style will be sung if you're improvising at fin de fiesta, whenever it's a por fiesta style. There are different styles of Bulerías, but when it comes to improvising, the Bulerías de Jerez style is what the singer will typically be singing. Now, a Bulerías letra typically consists of just two sung lines. The first sung line will be a short line, and it's usually sung over one compass. And the second sung line is a little bit longer and is usually sung over two compasses. So that's all we have for a letra, is two sung lines. When it's written out, you'll see them written as three lines. So for an example, as you can see here, we've got the first sung line, La hierba buena, regadla, and then the second sung line is written over two lines, La que no esté de recibo, con la manita a patarla. So the first sung line, I've just highlighted there, and the second sung line is the last two lines. What else we can see about this letra is that the end of the first sung line usually rhymes with the end of the second sung line. And this can be something your ear can get attuned to over time. Even if you don't speak Spanish or understand it, you can still hear the rhyming sounds, and that can help. So in this example letra, you'll see regadla rhymes with apatarla. So you've got the end of the first sung line and the end of the second sung line rhyming. A typical structure for singing a letra for Bulerías Por Fiesta will look like this. You'll have your first sung line, which takes one compass. Then there's typically a break in the singing, which is called the respiro. So it's where the singer can take a breath, or not singing, taking a pause. Typically, that will also be one compass, but it can be shorter or longer. It's up to the singer. After the respiro, usually the first sung line is repeated. Again, another compass. And then the singer will usually sing the second sung line, which will take two compasses. And then if there is a dancer improvising on stage, in most cases, the singer will repeat the second sung line. So again, another two compasses. And that is what a typical Bulerías Por Fiesta structure will look like for the letra. So the singer will sing the first sung line, take a breath, a respiro, repeat the first sung line, then sing the second sung line, and then repeat the second sung line. At a bare minimum, if the singer was going to just sing a very short letra, it would just be first sung line, second sung line. And that is, I guess, the obligatory amount that the singer would have to sing. You'd at least have to sing the first sung line and then the second sung line. The options come in where the singer may or may not choose to repeat the first sung line, may or may not choose to repeat the second sung line, and also where the respiro will go. So it doesn't always have to go after the first sung line. The singer might choose to sing the first sung line, then go straight into the second sung line, then take a respiro, and then repeat the second sung line. So these are all the options that your ear will get tuned to, which helps if you learn the basic common structure, the one that you will hear most often. If you learn this one first, after that, if there are any variations, your ear is more likely to be able to pick them out very easily. So yes, as I was saying, this isn't the only structure, but it is a very common one. So it's a very good one to get started with. This is what the typical structure would look like if we were using the example letra I showed you just before. The first sung line, the singer would sing La hierba buena, regarla. Then take a respiro, no singing, maybe for one compás. Then repeat the first sung line, La hierba buena, regarla. Then the singer will sing the second sung line, La que no esté, te recibo con la manita a patarla. And then repeat the second sung line. And that's what the letra would look like in full if it was the typical situation and there was a dancer improvising. This is what you can mostly expect to hear from the singer. Now you know all about how a letra works. It's all good in theory, but let's have a listen to someone singing this letra and a few others, and then we can start to connect the dots a little bit with what we know and what we're hearing. Let's now have a listen to someone singing this example letra and a couple of others. I found this example online and I really liked it because, first of all, it had the lyrics with it. Also, the singer is using the structure that I've just shown you, but with one exception in that he has not repeated the second sung line, so there is no dancing, and it is just the singer, the guitarist, and some people doing palmas, so it's all very clean and you can really listen in to what's happening, which is why I like it. And the only thing is that it doesn't repeat the second sung line, but that's okay because what we're listening out for is the difference between the first sung line and the second sung line, listening out for the respiro, and we can hear where the singer repeats the first sung line as well. So let's have a listen. First sung line. Respiro.
Deja que pase el 3 días, que esa paso igual tú.
Second sung line. This next letra is the one we used in the example. First line, and now respiro.
La hierba buena regala, no que no te recibo con la manita.
That was it.
Tengo mi corazón,
First sung line, respiro. He'll repeat first sung
tengo
line.
mi corazón, más duro que la columna del templo
And notice the rhyming words as well at the end of the first sung line and end of the second sung line.
Ha perdido los papeles,
Respiro.
ha perdido los papeles, tú no tienes corazón, no sabes de lo que te quieren.
I hope that's helped you to get more of an understanding of how the letra works. that seeing the letra written out, what's the first sung line, what's the second sung line, and then hearing it at the same time helps you to join the dots a bit more easily. And going forward, you don't need to know what lyrics are actually being sung, because you can now start to hear the melody and you can pick up what are the repeats, what's the first sung line. That's how I found it helped me, and I hope that's going to help you as well. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video training all about how a letra works. Remember to give this video a like if you liked it, and do subscribe to my channel if you want to know more tips and tricks on how to improvise more easily for Bulerías Por Fiesta. And if you have any questions, or there's something you'd like me to make a video on when it comes to improvising, let me know in the comments, and if I can help you out, I will. If you would like to know more of my insider secrets on how to improvise more easily for Bulerías Por Fiesta, I do have a free masterclass. So go ahead and check the link in the description box below. Thank you for watching. Happy dancing, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!